Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Buddy. Today I'm going to tell how to fix your bugs and lags in Windows 11. Recently I've put a video how to go to Windows 11, but in Windows 11 there are so many bugs and lags. So I will tell you how to fix them all. So let's start guys. Guys, first you have to click on Windows plus R key and click on MS config and click on OK. Then you will open the MS config and go to boot, click on no GUI boot and timeout. You have to keep 3 and it will be normal. Now you have to click on apply and OK. So again you have to restart it guys. Then I will meet you again after the restart. So guys, my restart is over again. So now again you have to go to MS config by clicking on Windows plus R key and click on OK. Then MS config and the starting first time which you kept, that will only come. Now go to boot, go to advanced options, click on number of processors, select your maximum number of processors -4 and click on OK, apply and OK again. You have to restart it again guys. So this is the last time you restart. After restarting I'll meet you again guys. Guys, we've restarted and everything is over guys. If your bug is fixed, please like this video and subscribe our channel guys, please. And if you have any other problems with Windows 11, please let me know in the comment section below guys. And if after doing this process also your bugs did not fix, then just go to the start button, go to settings and click on reset this PC and you can go back to Windows 10 guys, Windows 11. So after doing this also if your bugs and lags are not fixed, just you have to go back to Windows 10 within 10 days. After 10 days you cannot go back to Windows 10 guys. But so guys, that is it for today guys. So if your bugs and lags are fixed, please like this video and please do share, comment and subscribe to Knowledge Buddy guys. Bye guys, I will meet you in the next video.